Hi everyone, today in Great Tech, I'm gonna explain you how to read the methods functions in the classes that have already built in Visual C Sharp for by Visual Studio.net. So as you can see here, we're using the convert to into console read line. So if you want to know more about this function, you can just put your mouse on top of this one and you can see some description of this function used in the class console. Okay, so for example, this one is telling you that it will give you an output as a string. So this is a string. So every time you use this one, it means that what you are gonna read for the command prompt, it will come as a string. So this give you already a hint on or the fact of is a string, so how to use it. That's why you can see here we are converting this value string in an integer of 2. And if you put your mouse now here, you can see that this one give you as an output an integer, and the value inside should be a string. So continue with read line. It tell you read the next line of character from the standard input string, and it tell you which kind of sections are already included there. And so integer, it tells you that convert the string representation of a number to equivalent 32-bit signed integer and have two sections. So it means that for some reason the string you're putting inside is not considered an integer, it will give you these kind of sections. And what else? Oh, also, if you like to have more information, you can right click, pick definition, and you will have more data. So for example, it's telling you that you also can put an object with a value, a string, you can provide a format, you can use short value. So you have different methods for different input, not only strings. Double, you have also convert double to int, 16 to char to by, and then you see your class is convert and it have all these methods inside it that you can use. Also it give you more data, parameters, return. You want to know more about the function, you can read this and tell you more about it. For example, the section contain more here, more description. The value does not consider an optional sign followed by a sequence. So I think that's okay for today, and we'll continue with the next video soon. Let me know you have any comments, you want to read something else, you want to learn something specific, let me know. I will try to make a video of that. Thank you very much.